Hey guys, G-Buddy, and today we are going to try to jump on the Forza Horizon 4 train. I just wanted to say shout out to Caden and Logan. You guys both gave me this idea and bunches more, so maybe I can do some more videos like this. But I can't make that possible unless, unless you hit that like button and subscribe. But that was an awful joke, just awful. So yeah, jumping on the Forza 4 train.
Turn right.
So we're going on the other side of this mountain, and it's gonna be a long ride. I'm just gonna skip this speed zone because I don't want to do a speed zone. I don't want to mess up my car. But I'm thinking that this may not be a good car for this road and for the hills if we need to climb on top of a tunnel or something, so that we can just jump off and just land on the train, hopefully. So, okay. So yeah, jumping on the Forza train, as I said, for the third time. Good job, Grayson. That was G-Money. But, okay, destination reached. Why did I do that? Why in the world did I do that? Seriously? Oh well. Okay, you know what? Just forget about it. So, something I gotta do is get to the tunnel, or to the place that I'm going, before the train does, the Flying Scotsman. Because if I do, then I can hopefully jump on it. That's my plan, at least. Sometimes plans don't go as expected. I've known that from experience. So, yeah. Maybe I'll play Fortnite. Maybe, just maybe. I'm not sure. It's just, You just gotta support the channel and give me ideas in the comment section below. And, just stuff like that. And I can hopefully make it possible. The only games I have on my Xbox is Roblox, Fortnite, and Forza. And that's, the only games I have. So, it's okay to have less games on your Xbox, and we'll just go off-roading, whatever. But that's the only games I have, so if you guys want to, if you guys just want to see me play Fortnite or something like that, that'll be perfectly fine with me. Because, and me and my friend has come up and I'm thinking about dropping some merch, but of course I don't really know how to sell it. It might be, but if you want to see it, then I have plans right here. But if you do want to see it and get some G-Money merch, then you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Okay, here's where we're gonna go up. So let's turn around. And I don't think the fourth gear will work. As I said, fourth gear will not work. So let's back it up and try first. Okay, we did get farther, but it isn't gonna work, I don't think. So let's grab like a truck or something. So change car. And I'm thinking, I'm not sure what we should get. Not the Prowler. I'm feeling like something in Ford. No. Let's go with the Ranger T6 Rally Raid. So, yeah. Alrighty. So, let's climb this mountain now because I know that this truck will. Okay. So, you know. Okay, I hear the train. So, yeah. Okay, let's just watch it go by. Bye. Okay. Uh-oh, reverse, no. Oops. Okay. Okay, let's see if you will come. Of course you will. You're a truck. A rally truck. So, yeah. Let's go up and wait for it. Just waiting. In my opinion, it's just funny to wait. Oops. You know, I think we might want to try it. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, yeah, there's no way that's gonna work. I have another idea, and so let's try this idea. It's another location, and so let's just drive to it. I'll cut the video and resume, you know, where we were. So, you know, yes. Okay. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, we're back, and I'm here, and yeah. I think that if we just hit that brick, it will kind of act as a ramp and jump on the train, hopefully. Because, man, it'd be cool if we can ride the train. I don't know what the outcome is, but, you know, we'll just have to see. Because, yeah, we'll just have to see. And we're just waiting. So, yeah. If you guys wanna like see maybe a stupidly funny like drift car or something, I'm not sure. Like maybe put rally suspension on a like really powerful car like the McLaren Senna or Speedtail or something like that, and we drive it, because I've heard outcomes of the car glitching through the ground, which in my opinion would be funny. But I think I hear the train. No? Okay. Okay. But rally, yeah. I seen this video. It was where someone turned the Lamborghini into a rally car. Man, it was stupid. It was stupid but funny at the exact same time. So, yeah. So how, you know. Is that it? Maybe? No. This is probably going to be a pretty long wait, but, you know, we can handle it. So, did you know that some high schoolers are actually trying to build the Flying Scotsman back? I think they did, and it actually runs, but I'm not sure. I'm just bored and revving the engine. Uh-oh. I need to reverse that. Okay, there we go. So, you know. So, yeah, I'm happy that the Flying Scotsman's is getting built again because Flying Scotsman's cool, in my opinion. It's like the only steam train I really know, but yeah, I'm just revving the engine because I'm bored, of course. I think I might hear it. No? Yeah? Maybe? Not sure. Think so? Okay, okay, yeah, I hear it. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Here it is. Okay. Moment of truth. Go, 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 go. Shah! Come on. Oh, okay. Well, there you have it, folks. You cannot ride the Forza 4 train. It just glitches you through. But once again, shout out to Caden and Logan for giving me this video idea. It's an awesome video idea. Just as I said, put your ideas in the comments. I love how I'm just doing drifts, but just put your, just put your stuff in the comments, and I will see you all next time. Bye.